Hi, I'm Lily Condy, an occupational therapist at the Jacksonville Orthopedic Institute. Today I have with me the DonJoy UltraSling 4, and I want to teach you how to manage it safely and so you feel confidently in your rehab. The UltraSling 4 has a backpack strap, which unlike a typical sling that puts the weight across the neck, which can be aggravating if you've had any cervical spine issues, this sling puts the weight of the affected arm onto the unaffected side, making it much more comfortable. To remove your sling, you're going to start with the thumb strap, the forearm strap, your buckles. I'm going to take my right arm out, and then finally the waist strap. From here, I can lower the cushion down onto my bench and keep my arm protected. Okay, so to put the sling on, I have it laid out next to me. The cushion on the mat with the back strap and the shoulder sling strap laid out across the bed. So I'm going to sit down in the middle and start with putting my arm in the trough first. I'm going to bring the whole thing up to my waist. Buckle in my forearm, buckle in my thumb, and grab the waist strap and clip that in. From here, just like a backpack, I can reach back, put the strap over my shoulder, and buckle it right in. Once your sling is on, as a frame of reference, your fingertips should be about in line with your belly button. When you're fitted for your sling, your therapist will adjust the straps for you. From here, you can just use the buckle to clip and unclip. If you need further adjustments, ask your therapist.